Hi, welcome back. Now we will install Visual Studio Code. This is a very good IDE. So first you search for that in the web, code.visualstudio.com. You download that. You download what you need for Windows or for Linux or for Mac. I already downloaded it, and let's see. Let's double click that. Okay, accept the agreement. Next, 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 and okay, context menu is a nice thing to have, and then next, just install it. It will install for you. Okay, do you want to launch Visual Studio Code now? Let's try that. Okay. Okay, and this is your welcoming screen. We want also to install some capabilities. Okay, for example, we need these pylons, so that's just install it. Okay, Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Okay, it is installing. Okay, it's automatically installing this Python, Jupyter, pylons. Okay. Okay, so it might take a long time, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes to install all of them. So in your installed what do you call it here, extension, you can see here Python, pylons, and so on. You have 5 installed. You might also want to the extensor for Django. Okay, if you unable to find the Python, just type Python like this, and then it will show you. Okay, something like that. Okay. Okay, we already installed this Python. Okay, so let's say Django. It will be useful later. This is only the extension, right? So you want to install that, just click install like so. Okay, that was quick. Okay, and I think that's pretty much all. You want to also, if you work with other things like JavaScript, you might want to install that as well. Okay, so that is all for the Visual Studio Code installation. Okay, next thing is we will use this Visual Studio Code to code our project. Okay, thank you.